Are you looking for a side dish for Thanksgiving or any other family occasion? Make these cheesy potatoes. Keep watching and I'll show you how to make them. The first thing we need to do to make this is start off with a large bowl. Inside that large bowl, I'm gonna add 16 ounces of sour cream. That's also about 2 cups of sour cream. Next, we're gonna add 10.5 ounces of cream of chicken soup. Then 6 tablespoons of melted butter, about a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper. Some people like to use diced onions here, but I'm going to use some onion powder because I like the flavor, but I don't want the crunch of the onion. And that's about 1/4 teaspoon. Next, mix this together until it's all well combined. When that's well combined, I'm going to add 28 ounces of diced potatoes. These are hash browns, they're called, but you can also use the shredded hash browns if you wish. And if you want to make it from scratch, you can use actual potatoes, about 8 to 10 of them, and just boil them and dice them up and then use those. If you decide to use these are frozen ones. I did let them thaw in the refrigerator overnight, so they're no longer frozen. Next, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. And mix this real good. Sometimes it helps to have a bigger bowl because if it's small, it goes all over the place. Now take our mixture and we're just gonna spread it out in one single layer on a 13 by 9 inch casserole dish. Spread it out nice and thin here. When you have that in one single layer like this, just take this, put this aside. Then we're gonna bring out our cornflakes and a large Ziploc bag. I'm using these freezer Ziploc bags. They're perfect for this. So take about 2 cups of cornflakes and put it in our Ziploc bag. Then let all the air out of that bag, zip it up, and crush this any old way you want. You can crush it with anything. Then open this up and you want to add 4 tablespoons of melted butter in the Ziploc bag. Close it again and mix it up really good. Then bring back our casserole dish with our single layer on there. And we want to take our cornflakes and sprinkle over the top. This is going to add that crunch layer, which is going to make this amazing. Now we're going to bake this at 350 degrees, uncovered until it's nice and cooked. All right, it's been about 45 minutes. These are cooked perfectly. You know they're cooked perfectly when you can see it bubbling around the edges, and it's done. We're gonna let them cool down for about 10 or 15 minutes, a little bit, before we dish them out. And now it's time to dish it out. These cheesy potatoes are sometimes called funeral potatoes because people would bring them as comfort food. Now it's time for the taste test. I'm gonna dig into my cheesy potatoes. I've never had these before. I've never even heard of these before. So we're gonna give it a try and see how they taste. Oh yeah, these are amazing. So good. Thanks everyone for watching to see how to make these cheesy potatoes. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button. You'll get new videos all the time. And if you enjoyed this video, check out this video right here. And until then, I'll see you next time.